What's up, you guys? It is Margot. I am headed to Texas today with Sephora Collection. We're doing 2 meetups. I'm going to Dallas and San Antonio. So obviously I have to bring you guys along. I am running late, so I'm gonna go call my Uber and head to the airport. Bye, girlie. Big hug, big hug. Guys, this place is so nice. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Guys, how amazing is this collection? Also, it says Brother Veilus with Sephora. I have all of these. And this has a little strap. So cute. And then this beautiful jewelry. Oh god, gotta try these on. Yay! And then what's this lippy? A hat holder. Gotta get a cowboy hat. I'm just getting settled in, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna get some room service. But I just thought it was funny that on this whole list there's 2 items that are like available to get without meat. So welcome to Texas, baby.
How may I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if I could order a Caesar salad.
Right. Would you like to add chicken or anything to that?
No, thank you. Bye. Oh, yes, baby. It is 8:15. I've really just been doing a lot of emails, nothing too exciting or noteworthy. I hate going to the gym at night. I have like no motivation to go, but my motivation is that I know I have to shower my hair tonight, so I'll take you guys along. I have not worked out in so long. I'm gonna head down, FaceTime my mommy, and get a good workout in. Also, forgot to mention, but look how cute. I'm gonna bring this for my water. By the way, this brand is BKR if you guys want to purchase. Love these. Good morning. This is what my hair looks like when I sleep with it wet. This is my Leo energy right now. Anyways, here's breakfast. I have hot water. I requested lemons and fresh fruit. Here is today's outfit. My earrings are NYC Sterling. Necklaces, this is Ana Luisa. This is St. Christopher my cousins gave me. Top is Brandy. Bag is Lewin Gray. Shorts are Levi's. And I'm wearing my Converse. I'm gonna go downstairs and meet Miss Olivia, and then we're gonna go down and meet everyone else. I'm with Kiana.
Hi.
You had a very late start.
Yeah, my flight got delayed from 1 to 8. So I got here at like 12 and then went to sleep at 2.
Wow. Whoa. Well, we're all here now. We're going to breakfast. I'm so excited.
Yeah,
we're with Lauren. Mama Lauren. We are at Whisk Crepes Cafe. We're choosing what we're gonna get. I think I'm gonna go for savory, but this is very enticing. Oh my goodness, wow. This is amazing. We have made it to our next destination. We're at Wild Bill's Western Store, baby. Every time we're going in somewhere, the whole crew has to run ahead of us, and then we all walk in and wait and be patient.
Awkwardly waiting.
Hi folks, welcome to Dallas, Texas. Wow. Come on inside.
This is a new one. They'll be taking over for me. So I'm going to watch this real quick.
Orientation video.
Take it over here. Down here.
Red boots. Line dancing.
3. Right. So ladies, I'm gonna play y'all a song that I just wrote recently.
Always asking me how, not how you.
Big moment.
So what you have to do is you got to raise your right hand. Promise to share that Texas friendly spirit for which cowboys, cowgirls, and Western heroes are known. You promise that?
I promise.
You promise to call on Bill anytime you need me to do special events or corporate events or coming for some Western goods, right?
I promise.
Then I'm gonna...
Oh, and just like that.
Just like that, we're texa-fied.
We're texa-fied. How are you feeling? Okay, we just got back from that adventure. I just had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that little Texas moment. Definitely don't see much of that on my channel. I quickly got dressed. I'm gonna pack everything up and we're gonna head to the meetup and straight to an airport. So I'm so excited to meet you guys. I got a little gift when I came back, so I'm gonna show you. Look how cute this stuff is. And guys, Slip, I'm obsessed with Slip. This is the pillowcase, which I was actually just about to buy myself, and the scrunchies, like literally amazing. So now I'm gonna pack everything up, all the gifts and everything, and then meet everyone downstairs. Also guys, my outfit is just this little jumper from Princess Polly. I got it a few years ago, so I don't know if they still have it, but I really like it. And yeah, packed up, I'm ready to go. Bye Adolphus, you've been great. Let's do this. We're so excited. Olivia's taking a little power nap. We are outside of the mall and I guess we're just waiting for the okay to go in. But how are you guys feeling?
Okay.
Starting vlogs, but I'm not.
You're gonna start them.
Yeah, I'm.
Cheers. Yeah.
Meetup.
Made it through security.
Went well. Now we're at the airport going to San Antonio.
And then they're accepting it. And that,
You're like the Grim Reaper. 7. This is unreal. Cheers to you guys. Good morning, everyone. I beat my alarm by an hour, which is always a good feeling. So I think I'm gonna go for a stretch on the pool deck because I think it just opened. And then I'm gonna grab some breakfast and just explore the hotel. I'll bring you guys along. I do have a minute before I have to meet everyone downstairs, so I just want to take a moment and express my gratitude for all of this. I cannot express my gratitude enough. I don't take any of this for granted, and I'm so lucky. And this whole trip, and like every trip that I go on, honestly inspires me so much to put so much work and focus into my video and you guys and giving back. So I'm really excited about obviously this entire trip, but also getting back and like refocusing on everything. I just have a really great mindset right now. So thank you to Sephora Collection, everyone that's working on all of this. It's like absolutely amazing. I don't know how to thank the team enough and you guys enough for sending me to these places. I wouldn't be here without you guys. So I don't know, it sounds cheesy and cliche and I will shut up, but I just wanted to share this moment of gratitude with you because I think gratitude is very important, and I want you guys to know that I don't take any of this for granted. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go meet the amazing team and other girls downstairs.
It feels so new, I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model, nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I've got
Oh my god. Okay, 1, 2,
Oh my god. You just miss your face?
Yeah.
now that I got it.
I'm a porter, folks. I'm pretty sure you let me.
Dude, did you see the Alamo, bro? Guys, we just made it to the Alamo. It's a lot smaller than expected. We are back in the car post Alamo. It's actually really interesting. I love learning about history. And now we are headed to the Painted Wall District. I don't know if there's an official name for this area. My butt is sweaty.
Wow, you're not like those other guys. If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, cause you make me wanna change. I broke a few hearts or two. Now I'm gonna...
We just made it to this new spot, Essex, I guess. Okay, I just walked into a huge spider web and I feel like a huge tarantula is somewhere on me, but fine. This area is amazing. It's like an art mecca. It's a huge structure, open structure over there with art everywhere. I'm gonna try to show you guys some of it, but if you're ever in the area, you have to come. This is like an emerging thing in this area, so it's really cool to see it all in action right now.
That I got it. I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you.
And we're back. Thank the Lord. We just got back. We have like 2 hours to chill before we head out for the meetup, but I just picked up some thank you cards and I'm gonna write them to some of the people I've worked more closely with through Sephora, just to show how grateful I am. Handwritten notes mean so much to people, so I'm very happy to do this, and you guys know how grateful I am, so I'm gonna sit down, write these, and then start editing. I don't really know. I just washed my face. I used the grapefruit exfoliating wipes, which smell so refreshing. I love these. And then I used this is the travel version, but the clean skin gel. But right now I'm gonna be doing a really quick, easy get ready with me before this meetup in San Antonio, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna be showing you guys the I Love palettes, and we're gonna use one of them. These are the amazing I Love palettes. We're gonna get into these later, but if you guys know me, you know I keep my makeup super simple. I'm gonna be using the All Day Hydrator Cream from Sephora Collection. It's from the skincare line, which I went to Tennessee with them to promote, and we learned all about the products. Next, this is actually my new favorite foundation, and I found out about it this trip. It is the Matte Perfection Tinted Moisturizer. I love tinted moisturizers. I like can't do foundations, they're just too thick for me. I've been wearing it every single day this trip, and it's amazing. Whew.
This is like the perfect coverage for me. I'm gonna add a bit more down my neck. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so if something looks wacky, I'll catch it after this, but I'm sorry you guys have to see this. Next, we are gonna do eyeshadow, baby. Here we are. I totally did not pack the right eyeshadow brushes, so we're gonna use this Coming in Clutch Sephora Collection Crystal Brush Set. So there's 2 shadow brushes in here. I'm going to pick, oh my god, so many options. I want to do a super natural look since we're doing like a cute little daytime meetup. This one is my favorite palette. If you guys go into the store and check this out, I'm gonna use this I Love palette. This is new to Sephora Collection, and we used these at the shoot we did in Tennessee, and I fell in love. These are new packages because they just gifted them to us, but they gifted them to us last trip, and these are like my go-to eyeshadow palettes. So this is this one. It's so beautiful. I like it really light, as I said, so I'm gonna take this light color. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna take this like middle dark shade and just throw that in the crease. And then I'm gonna take this one, do another outer crease moment. I'm gonna pat this one right in the middle. Beautiful. And then, all right, I'm gonna take this one again with my dirty brush and just bring that up there because that's what I learned in beauty tutorials when I was in 7th grade. I'm really scared my battery is gonna die, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do just in case it dies. This has been my favorite eyeliner. This is the Sephora Collection eyeliner in black. This is like the only eyeliner that I will use. I don't like pencil and I don't like the like gel like dip stuff. And then I'm gonna be using the Lashcraft Defining Mascara. I will see you guys after I get dressed and we're heading out.
Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy.
They drove 2 hours to be here. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming.
Oh my god.
Guys, this is Brennan.
Under the sheets of it's 3 a.m. I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration, but know your time trying to control. Eventually gonna need some